Hi, fourth graders. This is Mrs. Delaney. I am making this video to help some of you step by step learn how to attach your artwork and share with Mrs. Duart and I from week to week. I'm actually on the Google Classroom fourth grade page and I'm looking at the stream. And as I scroll down on the stream, the first message at the top says fourth grade student artists. Please do not attach any more artwork to the portfolio. How do you share your artwork this week? I've actually included step-by-step instructions on how you can do this. However, I'm also going to show you. So here it goes. I'm going to scroll to the top and I'm going to click Classwork. I'm going to scroll down to this week, 420 to 424, and I'm going to click on the assignment for this week, Design a Chair. When I click, I scroll down to the bottom and click View Assignment. As I'm looking at this assignment, I'm going to read through and figure out what I need to do. Fourth grade student artists, please view the slideshow. Listening to the story and answering the questions are completely optional. This is the slideshow. It's going to go over the instructions of what your first option is for this week. So you can choose number 1, create an artwork based on the Van Gogh chair assignment. However, some of you may want to choose number 2, create your own art piece inspired by art materials you love working with at home. And number 3, create an art piece inspired by the Art Creations at Home link website. If I click on this website, it's actually the Woodland Art website. It has lots of links, lots of ideas to kind of jumpstart you into your work process. You can choose any of these options. However, once you choose, you're going to make your artwork. Once the artwork is made, you're going to go ahead and photograph that artwork and save it to your Google Drive. The reason why that's so important is because you're going to have to add or create this assignment, and you can find it in the Google Drive. So here I go. Your work, add or create. As I scroll down, if I click Google Drive, this photograph was uploaded recently to my Google Drive. It's right here under Recent Files. You should be able to just grab and add. You could also go into My Drive and find it there. All right, there's 2 different places to find it. I'm going to click and I'm going to add. Look how my image is uploading. Once that image is there, all I need to do is scroll down and turn in, and go ahead and turn in a second time. Boys and girls, once you've hit that turn in button those 2 times, Mrs. Duart and I can see your artwork in Google Classroom. Now, I've shown you step by step. You can always watch this video a second time to help guide you through this process. If you're still having issues, it can always be helpful to go right back, read through the printed instructions. However, if you're still running into issue, and I understand this is brand new to all of you, if you're still running into issues with attaching your artwork, please remember you can always share it with me and Mrs. Duart by sending it to our emails, which are found right there on the stream. I really love this week's assignment. I really hope you enjoy it. Make it colorful, make it bright, make it bold, and Mrs. Duart and I look forward to seeing it this week. Have fun.